My name is Larissa. In this video, I will show you how to put together the side part of the scrub cap I'm wearing with the top part. The scrub cap has a pouch for hair. I developed this model myself. You need to print out my sewing pattern, cut it out, then tape it. Now you're ready. To get your own copy of my sewing pattern, click on the link at the top of your video on the right. Now you're ready to start sewing. Fold the top part of your scrub cap in half, find the center of it and mark it with a pin. Do the same thing with the side part. Find the center of it and mark it with a pin. Now put the two centers together, face to face, and start connecting with pins both of your parts, the top part and the side part. Put your pins about 1 inch apart, making sure that your edges of the fabric are aligned and there are no ripples. Once you reach the reinforced parts of the fabric, align them and put the last pin at the pouch edge. Do the same on the other side of the scrub cap and finish pinning at the edge of the pouch. Once you finished pinning together the top side of your scrub cap to the side part, start stitching them together using the straight stitch at the right side of the scrub cap. Go all the way around to the other side, removing pins as you go and helping your work using your fingers. Once you reach the last pin, stop, turn your work around, make straight stitch until you reach the place where the open edge is. Now change your settings to zigzag and go all the way around to the other side of the scrub cap. Once you reach the place where the reinforced edges start, switch back to the straight stitch and finish stitching at the edge of the pouch. At the end of this seam, I tie a knot and hide the ends of the thread between the layers of fabric using my needle. Now I cut the excess fabric all around the zigzag stitch. If you use serger, you don't need to do this step. You will need 6 inches of elastic tape. I put safety pins on both ends of the elastic tape and thread the elastic tape through the guide. Once I reach the opening on the other end of the elastic tape guide, I pull the pins out and sew the ends of the elastic tape together by hand. Now distribute the ripples of the fabric all around the edge of the pouch, so it's nice and even. I'm going to turn my pouch right side out and iron all along that last seam that I made, connecting the top part with the side part of my scrub cap. And my work will be finished. Nice and beautiful.